Go ahead.
Swami, yesterday in yesterday's session, one of the things that I realized was that a lot of the projects that I'm working on right now were things that I started because there was just a lot of pain in me that I didn't want to deal with. So just to get rid of that, I started this. But I actually like working on the projects. Are they like, should I stop working on these?
No. You should not stop working. You should complete the pains from which you are trying to run away. If you complete the pains, these projects will be more successful than what you think. See, if you do it with if you do a project by putting your time, it will only be like a mathematics. If you do it by putting your energy along with time, it means you need to have energy. Now all your energy is caught in the incompletions and pains. Complete and put your energy into it. Then you will see it will come out as art piece. If you put your life, it will come as your own extension. Please understand, whether your job, relationship, career, anything, if you are giving only your time, you are a worker. I do not have in 1 inch of respect for anybody who is working for somebody. Please understand. I am making a very blank, straightforward statement. Be your boss. Even if you think, no, I am working already for 25 years, how can I give up my job? Take this as a 2-year project. Within 2 years, you will do the transition and become your boss. Be your boss. I tell you, after you leave the body, you will understand how much consciously you have grown by being your boss. Please understand, only to the people whom you are serving, your clients, your customers, whom you are enriching, should be your boss. Be your boss. I tell you, consciously, you will be complete about life. If you are working for somebody, you will learn only one thing: to give your time. You will never learn the taste and joy of what it is to give your energy along with your time. You will give your energy along with your time only if you are going to be the ultimate beneficiary. If you are going to be the ultimate beneficiary, only then you will put your energy into your time. Otherwise, that's that 9 to 5, giving your time for something but not giving your energy or life to it is the most prolonged, most painful suicide possible. Be your boss. You will learn, you will be inspired to give your energy to your time. Anything you do, then you will learn how to give your life to what you are doing, to your time and energy. Understand? The senior devotees and disciples, they know, day in and day out, this Rajya Sabha is a witness. This land is a witness. 2001, I started my public life. Now it is 2016. Day in and day out, 20 hours a day, I am doing the same job. Never I felt tired or bored even once. What am I doing? Because I have put my energy and my life into what I am doing. I don't know how many thousands of times I explain unclutching and completion. You will If you see the recording of me talking about unclutching and completion in 2002 and 2016, you will not find a single word missing. It will only be getting added. Understand? If you are in a mechanism where you put your energy and life into your time, you will be fulfilled in your life. If you are putting your energy into your work to the level your seniors can handle you, they are okay. But if you are putting your life into your work where they feel threatened, it is not okay. That is why I am telling you, take up this as a 2-year project in your life. If you are working for somebody, decide in next 2 years, I will become my boss. And it will really, really make you put your energy and your life into what you are doing. Not only you will have success, you will have completion. You will have fulfillment. I tell you, deep self-doubt only makes you work for others. Either you spend your life to fulfill your dreams, or somebody will hire you to fulfill theirs. And when you are fulfilling somebody else's dream, you will become naturally cunning to separate your energy and your time. That is why the 9 to 5 is only time for you, not life. How many of you feel the 9 to 5 is only time for you, not life? That's all you know now. No. That is the worst crime you are doing against yourself. Do not separate. Do not be in the structure. Do not be in a mechanism where your life and energy is separated from your time. People come and tell me, time is money, Swamiji. Fool, time is life. What are you talking? The lie you have been taught by the bosses is time is money. No. Time is life. Don't be under anybody. I tell you, first few months it may be a struggle. That is why I am saying take 2 years as a transition period. Means do some startup and stabilize it and put, you see, when something is yours, you will put actually your time, energy, life into it. Then slowly you will get the confidence. The self-doubt will melt down. Yes, I can sit on this throne because the throne is built by me. It's mine. I can sit on it. Your energy, life and time will become one in that. Then naturally you can move from working from somebody to being for yourself. I tell you, in the modern day, working for somebody is the worst crime you will do to yourself. Do not do that crime. Do not abuse yourself by working for somebody. Take this as a project and make it maybe in 1 year or 2 years. You will feel blessed that you lived your life. And I tell you, in the modern day, there are millions, billions of opportunities. Do what you like, complete and free all your energies from your incompletion, and put your energy into your time. Naturally, your life will flow towards it. You will be successful. You will be celebrating what you are doing. What you are doing will celebrate you. You just celebrating your art, is success. If your art celebrates you, that is completion. Understand? Micromanaging your inner space is enlightenment. Micromanaging your outer space is success. Both will happen to you if you are in a mechanism where your time and energy is not separated. I tell you, even the people who hire you, if you put too much of energy and life into what you are doing, which they are not able to comprehend, they will feel threatened. Your great work, your boss will feel threatened. Because that is the whole setup of hiring and firing mechanism. Hiring and firing mechanism. I tell you, take up this one truth in your life. I am 100% guarantee, 100% sure, you will only appreciate me for giving you this advice. Never you will blame me. I have seen this in thousands and thousands of lives. When people merge their energy, life into their time. See, when you are doing something on your own, when you are your boss, you are forced by yourself to merge your energy, life and time. But when you are working for somebody, you are not forced. And you cunningly develop such a logical reasons to convince your boss. You know how to manage him. And people do PhD, how to draw salary without working. I have seen how to manage your job, continue to get bonus, salary and never doing any work. In that way, you are not just cheating your boss, your life becomes peace. The energy is separated from time, energy is separated from life. Then you feel your life is just poor are those who feel 9 to 5 is only their time, not life. I will not classify poverty based on the zeros they have in their bank. Poor are those who feel 9 to 5 is their time, not life. 24 hours should be your life. It should not be separated as time, time plus energy, time plus life plus energy. So how many of you understand what I am sharing now? So how many of you feel really you are going to take this up very seriously for next 2 years project? In next 2 years, I will be my boss. Whoever feels, raise your hand. Come on. My blessings. You will all be successful. You will all be successful. Blessings, one.